What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into this video on how to make money online. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button down below, because that's what helps me produce awesome content just like this. Hitting that subscribe button not only helps me produce more content, but it shows me that you guys are interested in the content that I'm actually putting out. Also, drop a comment down below what you think of this video after you're done watching, and also maybe comment what you might want to see from me here in the future. So a lot of people are kind of skeptical about making money online. A lot of people will say it's some sort of scam. Well, I can personally tell you it is not a scam if you do it correctly. Some people, they will try to scam you to get money out of you. But there's a lot of people like myself that can help you make money online, and we're not scams at all, because we do make money online, and we can have the proof to show you. Working from home, I'm 20 years old and I work for myself from home, making money online, doing these things or having some role in these things that I'm getting ready to tell you. Something about making money online, it takes a lot of dedication and a lot of discipline. If you're not disciplined, you're probably not going to make it, guys. You have to be able to discipline yourself, and make sure you're really dedicated to what you're doing, and so you can put all your hard time into it. Because if you're gonna go out here and put 25% or 50% of your time into it, it's not gonna do anything. You have to be willing to put 110% into it every time, just like you're trying to do anything else in life. All right, so as for the list to go, one of the number one things, obviously, that you can do is own a business or a brand. That's kind of obvious, whether it's online, such as e-commerce. A lot of brands, clothing brands, product brands, watches, phone cases, all that e-commerce, that's what it's called. E-commerce is the selling of products online. So that's one way to make money, and I've personally done a lot of e-commerce. That's what started me on my entrepreneurship journey, is e-commerce and owning a clothing line. The second thing I have down on this list is you can be an affiliate. So what an affiliate is you're someone that's a salesman, so to say, for a company. Like I'm an affiliate for Amazon and a lot of other companies. What I can do is I can promote certain products on that website, store, brand, clothing, whatever it is. And when I drive someone to a link that is my affiliate link, and they purchase something through that link, I get commission for that purchase. Sometimes it's normally 5%, sometimes it's 10%, sometimes it's 15%. It just kind of how it works out with the company that you're trying to be an affiliate with. Amazon is a huge place where a lot of people do affiliates, because it's the #1 e-commerce site in the world, or the United States, I guess so to say. I don't know about the world, but another thing is you can grow your personal brand. You can when you grow your personal brand, you can start to become an influencer. What an influencer is, brands, companies, other personal brands come to you to get a shout out or a product placement. So like on my Instagram, better follow that right here, plug always, but on my Instagram, I have had brands and companies reach out to me, hey, you have followers on your account, can you promote this product? And what that company or brand does is they'll send me the product to promote, and as well, sometimes they will pay you to promote that. Just to post a quick little shout out, a quick little image or video of you using the product, and they pay you for it. And sometimes you get that free product. So you can become an influencer. You can make money off social media, Instagram, kind of like that way. You can start getting into YouTube. I mean, YouTube is huge nowadays. That's where people are making money, and all it takes is doing something just like this right here, right now, and going home and an hour later uploading it and making some money off of it. It's just really that simple. So let's see, the next thing I have wrote down is you can own a digital marketing agency, which is something I do. I personally own a digital marketing agency. Links down below. It's called Socialverse Marketing. If you're trying to start a personal brand or a company, my agency, as well as other agencies, not only mine, can help you do that stuff. We can build your following, we can create a website for you, we can do all these, produce content, all these different things to help you grow and help you make that money online, or help you get more leads and get more sales for your business or brand. Another thing is we can create those websites to help you make money. If you create a website, doesn't matter what you're going to do, I guess, there's many different ways to create that website and make money off that site. Kind of like affiliate site. You can make an affiliate e-commerce site. Those are 3 things that I just named: website, affiliate, e-commerce. You can put all those into one and make money off of that. Let's go into the next thing that I have wrote down right here. So you can Forex and stock trading. It's kind of self-explanatory, and just stock trading in general. You can make money off that. Typically that's a bigger investment that you have to put in, and it's over a long period of time that you can make the money, but you can make money online doing that as you sleep 24/7. Let's see, another thing we have wrote down is drop shipping. This one is huge, guys. Drop shipping is huge in 2018. I'd say the past year or two is when it's really been on the rise big time. So you may be asking me, Logan, what is drop shipping? Well, drop shipping is e-commerce in a way. So I have a online store set up. With that online store, I'm selling products which I get from a supplier over in China normally. With that supplier, when I get an order on my site, I send the order to my supplier and they send the product directly to the customer. I don't see the product, I don't touch the product, I don't do anything like that. I just collect the money that I just made off that sale. So you're essentially just hosting the site, making the site, doing all that, and doing all the marketing for it. When you get a sale, send it to the supplier and they send it to the customer. You just run the store, and that's it. That's what drop shipping is. The price to get into drop shipping is really not that bad at all. You can get into it pretty cheap, and the return that you can make on drop shipping is huge. You can make $500 a day, $1,000 a day, somewhere it's upwards of $8K a day, $10,000 a day. There's sites even done, I'm pretty sure I've seen sites that do $250,000 in one day. And it's just e-commerce off drop shipping. So if you're interested in getting into drop shipping, just comment down below, shoot me a DM on Instagram. You can email me, which all the links will be down below. I actually provide the resources and the help and training to make people get into drop shipping to have successful stores. Let's see, another thing you can do is it kind of goes in the same way as Amazon FBA. So Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. What that is you order products kind of like that Chinese supplier from wherever you want, or have your own products, I guess, and you send it to Amazon's warehouse, your local warehouse, whatever warehouse you want to put it in. I guess if you want to put them in multiple warehouses, you can do that. And then you kind of do the marketing for it and try to rank on Amazon. You don't have your own website because Amazon is your website. If you get a sale through Amazon, Amazon ships it out, does all that, customer support, everything. All you do is collect the money. This one's a little bit more costly to get into because you do have to buy stock and put it in Amazon. So that can be a little bit costly, but you're on the #1 e-commerce site, so it's kind of huge. Other than that, that's a lot of quick things that you can really do. Like I said, if you ever want to learn how to do these things and start making some big money, like these numbers right here on the screen, hit me up in the DMs, comments, email, whatever. I can help train you, and I can help you guys get these results because it's huge, guys. And who doesn't want to make money online in 2018 and work from home, kind of like me? So let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section below. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button. See you next video.